Hello everyone. What I'm about to explain is backed by the mechanics who work at this shop, so there's no need to worry. This can be fixed. If your Jeep Grand Cherokee shows the service transmission message, take a breath first. It doesn't mean your transmission is about to fail instantly. This warning is basically letting you know that something isn't working quite right and should be checked before the vehicle goes into protection mode and starts limiting power or gear changes. The first thing most mechanics recommend is doing a basic system reset. This simply means turning the vehicle off, waiting about 30 seconds, and then turning it back on. Sometimes the message appears due to a temporary computer glitch and disappears on its own after this quick mini reset. It's surprisingly effective in many cases. If that doesn't work, the next step is to scan the vehicle with the proper diagnostic tool. Be careful here. Cheap scanners often won't read TCM or transmission module codes. Mechanics recommend using an advanced or Jeep Stellantis-specific scanner, since that will show exactly which sensor or module is triggering the warning. This helps avoid replacing parts blindly and saves both time and money. A very common cause is sensors or electrical connections. Wheel speed sensors, internal transmission pressure sensors, loose wiring, or corroded connectors can send incorrect data to the TCM and trigger the warning. Checking, cleaning connectors, tightening wiring, or reseating sensors can sometimes make the message disappear right away. Another important factor is the TCM or PCM software. Some people who came in here noticed the message started after disconnecting the battery, doing maintenance, or even after heavy road vibrations. In those cases, a software update or module reflash can stop the error and restore normal operation. It's also possible that the issue is more mechanical, a damaged or misaligned sensor, or even the transmission itself having irregular pressure. While this is less common, mechanics say that in these situations, sensor replacement or internal transmission repairs may be necessary. That's why it's important not to ignore the warning if it keeps coming back.